let's say you have a bunch of npm packages that need to be updated. So you can run npm outdated, and then it's going to uh, list all your packages that need to be updated, right? Like in your project. So in this case, I have a bunch of these. So what you need is you need to run npm install global. You want to install globally. It's called npm check updates. Basically, that has to live in your system. So check updates. I already have it installed, but I'll just run this real quick. Let's zoom out maybe. Yeah, so these are all the packages that I need to update. So basically, like once you have your npm check updates installed, this is okay. So once you have that check update installed, then run ncu -u. Okay, so now all these packages have been updated, right? See that? And then the last thing we're gonna do is, so it's saying run npm install to install new versions. Let's say, for example, you actually did not have your you deleted your node modules and stuff like that, so you could run that npm install. But the next thing that we need to run is basically npm update at this point. So let's run that. And then, like, if you don't have your node modules folder, say you deleted it, or you could delete it and just do this, then the next command you're gonna run is npm install, and then that'll be it. So let's see here. Come on. So pretty much this helps you update all the up to date major releases. So taking forever because I have a whole bunch, right? So um, let's go. Come on. But pretty much that's the basic idea. Just a real quick thing that could be useful. Yeah, taking forever. A lot of stuff. So my project is okay. So now that's good. So we did what, npm update. So if you don't have your node module, you just do npm install. So I can do that here. Then it just basically, you're basically just installing all your stuff in the project. But That's pretty much it. Follow for more content. Have a good day.